This is a video to show you how to use Google Slides on an iPad. So when you log into Google Classroom, you'll see your stream and whatever announcements your teachers have made. If you click on the button at the bottom that says Classwork right here, that will take you to your assignments for the day. For this video, I'm going to demonstrate using Google Slides with an activity that we have done for Mother's Day. So I'm going to click or press on the assignment that says Happy Mother's Day. When I do that, it will open up the assignment and I can see the directions, which say Sunday is Mother's Day. Here is a sweet activity that you can do to celebrate the women in your life who support you. 1. Watch the video to learn how to do the activity. The video is here. It is the red box with the 3 white lines. The yellow box with the white box inside is the icon for Google Slide. You'll see I have an arrow with the words Google Slide pointing to that. That is the icon for Google Slide. If you press on that, you can see my sample. That is number 2 in the assignment. Take a look at my sample People Magazine cover page. Create your own cover page and show it to your mother. Share below what you will do to celebrate your mother. And the last icon says PDF. That is again something you can view. It is also a sample. If you press here where you see the up arrow above where it says your work, that will open up to your assignment. You will see your, let's say, worksheet that you can type in and add pictures. So once you press on that button, it will take you to this screen where you see what your work is. So again, you see that yellow box with a white box inside. That means your assignment is a Google Slide, and it will say your name. And then after it, it will say the title of the assignment. So you are going to press on this part. When you press on that, it will open up the assignment and look something like this. Once you've opened up the assignment, there are 2 very important buttons up in the right hand corner. Most of you have found, or a few of you have found, the first button, which looks like a pen. If you click on the first button, the one the arrow is pointing to that looks like a pen, you will get a screen that looks like this. Now you are able to draw on whatever assignment you have. You can press the arrow to reverse, to go back, to go to different slides, to save your work. On the left hand upper side, there's an arrow that will take you back to the previous screen. I recommend using the second arrow on your assignment, and I'll show you that one now. So when you go back to the screen that has your assignment, you see those same 2 buttons. We just looked at what the first button does, that pen. Now we're going to look at the second button. The second button looks like a box with an arrow pointing out. If you press that button, it will open your assignment in the Google Slides application, in the Google Slides program. This is the best way to do your work, and I'll show you why now. Again, press the box that has an arrow pointing out. So when you press that button, it will open up the assignment in the Google Slides application, and it will look like this. On the left-hand side, you can see that page 1 is highlighted. If you press where it says page 2, it will highlight page 2 and then you can view page 2. A very important button in the Google Slides application is this plus button here. This plus button allows you to insert lots of different things. For example, when you press on it, you can see that you can insert comment, text box, image, line, shape. I want to show you first how you can insert image. So if you click where it says image, it will take you to this screen where you can choose if you want to insert from photos, meaning pictures that you already have saved on your camera roll on the iPad, or from camera. You can take your very own picture using your camera and use it in your document. The most important thing is that you can insert text. So if you click where it says text, it will allow you to actually type on assignments. For example, let's look at page 2 of this assignment where there is text. If you press 2 times where there is text, it will open up the keyboard and then you are able to type in your answers to questions on an assignment. So, one of the great things about Google Docs, and the last thing I want to share with you, is that Google Docs saves automatically. That means you don't need to worry about saving. When you are all done, you just press this check arrow in the upper left-hand corner and your work is saved. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.